In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could force shut down an iPhone 14 Pro Max. There's two methods to do this, whether your iPhone's responding or completely frozen, and we're going over both of them. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if your iPhone is still working and you don't want to use any physical buttons, open up your settings and scroll down till you see the general tab on here. Once you see general, open it up and scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see a shutdown button. Select this and then you're going to see a slide to power off option. Slide it all the way over to the right and your iPhone will turn off. Whenever the screen goes completely black, you can turn it back on by pressing and holding down on the power button until the Apple logo disappears. That being said, if your iPhone is completely frozen on an app or the home screen, whatever it might be, you're going to have to force restart it. To do this, press and hold down on the side power button and ignore anything that appears on the screen and just keep holding it down. After a few seconds, the screen will go black and the phone will force restart, and then you're going to see the Apple logo as it turns back on. That's when you're going to want to release that side power button, and that is it. This is going to fix pretty much every issue on a phone like freezing, apps not responding, or the phone acting unresponsive. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.